Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, basic concept of demand. This topic is related to economics, the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to acquire at a given price during a given time period is referred to as demand, which is a fundamental concept in economics. Here is the table of demand law. Price of sugar 25, quantity of demand is 2. When price is low, you can say that when price is 25, quantity of demand is 2. When price is 20, quantity of demand 4. When price is 15, quantity of demand 6. When price is 10, quantity of demand 8. When price is 5, quantity of demand is 10. You can say that NT process between price of sugar and quantity of demand. This is the diagram of demand. When price is 25, quantity of demand is 2. When price is 20, quantity of demand is 4. When price is 20, when price is 15, quantity of demand 6. When price is 10, quantity of demand 8. When price is 5, quantity of demand 10. You draw a line, then you can say that DD is the graph of demand. Generally speaking, the law of demand states that as a product or service price rises, less of it will be demanded. Ceteris paribus, all other things being equal. On the other hand, ceteris paribus, the quantity demanded of a good or service will grow as the price of that good or service decreases. Customers might opt to buy fewer cups of coffee. For instance, if the cost of a cup rises from $2 to $3, ceteris paribus, on the other hand, customers might decide to buy more coffee if the cost of a cup drops from $3 to $2. Ceteris paribus. Consumer income, the cost of comparable products, substitutes, and complements. Consumer preferences, advertising and marketing, and demographic variables are additional elements that can affect demand. Customers might choose to buy more tea and less coffee, for instance, if the price of tea or coffee alternative drops. Contrarily, if milk's price rises, as it inevitably will, consumers might decide to buy less coffee because they may no longer be able to afford the milk to accompany it. Demand is an important idea in economics as it helps businesses decide on pricing strategies, output levels, and marketing initiatives. It also helps policymakers create efficient economic policies.